Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll
Is
walk.
very powerful. They have the power to stop the gross human violation against the Kuki, Ngim, Mizo community. Dear brothers and sisters, we are here to show our solidarity with our people back home in the hilly districts. Now, I ask every one of you to stand up. Let us all stand up to pay our respect to the tribal volunteers who have died, who have lost their lives to defend our land, to defend our villages. 1 minute of silence.
Manta kasih ke Leit jong unai wing arajar pulai. Kadih henru panai tik naduk bakalami ke jeng Iaki bakaje kelumar hapreng Kuki bat kimei teh hapok Manipur. Hang ni hapok nang madeli hapok jantan mata marjan bak jeng Iaki jong H&M kadon duk ke jeng Iaki jong Jaitbynriew Kuki. Man kan mau ya ka Leit jong jemang mata snem ha ka bakala don jeng syak penyap jong Jaitbynriew Kuki. Ki thlong ki khana temen jeng syak thang jong ki ying ki sam jeng syak bat bor jong kilong bi bakam ta ter. Balbang ni deki sta bagaimana kita beri Kuki bersama nang bak dali kelak pelong yang dekat sini bak. Awai ni kejing dawa ke jeki kelong ban sangat no kejing tombor kejing lihat bean persyak yang kejak beri dulu. Akan dikajang lai iru beki nong keren kelak penpau yang kejing bom simkia yang kesokar trek. Yang kejing sak menti yang kesokar NBA. Kabar event yang kejak beri Kuki hadu ke jeki sini beki por kiba mentah. Bat kawin ni kinong keren kelak Nongbah wat aduk mentah. Hadin hendu pernah kimlak setiap mandi Shim yang kimet yap. Kibatan po Imphal nama roba kalong kapa ma bat tanggilarung sa po Imphal Jaitbynriew Kuki kira syak penyap baik kira syak tombor baik bat haduk mentah kibabun kiman yap kira syak penyap aki mete po Imphal kira sakut sa aki jakabu jo kimet yap kimi olat ban tep Iaki bat kimi olat ban le boram Iaki.
We shall overcome. Sing with me. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand. Sing loudly. We'll walk hand in hand. Kuki len chatwo. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand all day, all day. Oh, deep in my heart.
In the beginning of the violence, we all know that he promised us peace for 15 days in those days. But within 3 days, the cocaine village incident happened against Kuki Zone. When all grandmother praying in the church, was shot and murdered. The innocent boy of 7 years old was burnt inside an ambulance with his relatives. Innocent boy. Till now, no arrest has been made. We can scream and yell and blame each other, point finger at each other, but all of you, including the security forces, I believe you all have families. I believe you all know pain. Today, we are here with agony in our